To automate Debank charts, you need to understand what Debank is and the benefits of automation. Debank is a portfolio tracker that allows you to monitor your cryptocurrency assets across multiple wallets and exchanges. Automating Debank charts helps you save time and make data-driven decisions. First, you need to create a Debank account and connect your wallets and exchanges to the platform. This will give you access to your portfolio data, which can be used to create charts and track your assets. Next, you need to choose an automation tool, such as Zapier or Integromat, that can connect to Debank's API. These tools allow you to automate tasks by creating custom workflows and integrating different applications. Once you have chosen an automation tool, you need to connect it to Debank's API. This will give you access to your portfolio data and allow you to automate tasks such as creating charts and sending notifications. To automate Debank charts, you need to create a custom workflow that uses Debank's API to retrieve your portfolio data and create charts. You can use a tool like Google Sheets or Excel to create the charts and then use the automation tool to update the charts automatically. For example, you can create a workflow that retrieves your portfolio data from Debank every hour and updates a chart in Google Sheets. This will give you real-time insights into your portfolio performance and allow you to make data-driven decisions. Best practices for automating Debank charts include using secure authentication methods to protect your API keys and data, testing your workflows regularly to ensure they are working correctly, and using error handling to prevent workflow failures. In conclusion, automating Debank charts can help you save time and make data-driven decisions. By following these steps and using the right automation tools, you can create custom workflows that give you real-time insights into your portfolio performance and help you achieve your investment goals.